Hi guys, I got my bench back. Look at that. I'm getting ready for spring battle. As soon as the frost is out of the ground, which will be another couple of weeks, I should get completely slammed with lawnmowers. So, Twitch, I think I know who this is from. Let's open it up and see. In fact, I'm sure it's from Zippo Varga. Go to his channel, subscribe, hit the bell. He's a good guy. He has a big heart. And I don't know what's in here. It's hefty. It's kind of exciting, right? Promoting as many channels as I can, you know? Okay, let's go. Whoop. Sharp knife. Caution, do not harm items in the box. Okay. Well, I guess you saw me glue my other one together so many times. Let's just take it off the pedestal here. Look at this. Tape. 5 different gobbers of crazy glue, or super glue. I can't extend the centerpiece anymore to get height. Yes. So let's open this up. This isn't what I thought it was going to be. So that's even cooler. So let's put you back on this one for the last time. Oops. Backwards. Okay, now don't break your camera. You've only got one more use of this old tripod to go. Okay, where's the top of the box? Ooh. Let's have a look. Holy smokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 legs. And the old Allen key. Perfect. Okay. Well, I'm not going to throw away anything yet. And a bag. Oh my gosh. Oh, I see. I got a little work to do. I got it. I think this turns all the way around. Yep. OMG. Can you look at that, eh? Maybe that's a hint. Like, Bruce, we're getting seasick. It's time for you to use your new tripod. And one of the reasons why I haven't been using the old one is because it's fallen apart as much, right? And I have to glue it almost every third day I use it. That's unbelievable. Thank you, sir. Can I show this on Mixed live stream if it's on today? Okay. Okay, now let's read the instructions. Counterweight. Oh, I see. Already I've learned something. Quick release plate. I love it. So just read the instructions there. Thank you, sir. I am stunned. Oh, more information. Comes with a bolt. It says here, avoid using at temperatures under minus 40 degrees Celsius. No problem there. Well, I gotta go show Mrs. P. Thank you very much. Stunned. Hi guys, Bruce here. Well, I got an envelope from Ellis Mowers. I don't know what's in it. Excuse me. Let's just have a look. Ellis has a great, furnace alert. It's Canada. Ellis has a great channel. He started out doing mass returns and repairs of Walmart mowers, and now he is full into lawn tractors. And he is a good lawn tractor mechanic. Ah, perfect. I'm jealous. Thanks, Ellis. So everybody, go to Ellis Mowers and subscribe, hit the bell, do all you gotta do. We'll get him some numbers maybe. Thanks. Talk to you later.